Put some respect on it. On it. On it. On it. On it.
Oh, I think this is probably going to be one of the last pretty days that we have this season. That being said, I'm just going to hop on the FZ real quick. So I need cigarettes. I got to work tomorrow. So that means I'm up at like 2:45 in the morning for a 12-hour workday. Don't get home till around 7. But yeah, let's get this thing started here. It's probably been like a week or more since I've ridden it. I've just been stuck doing stuff, trying to get everything ready for winter. Yeah, I think I guess Saturday will be a week since I've ridden it, because I went out for a ride with British Terry. Him and I went out and hit Distillery, actually. Had a nice little ride out through the mountains, out till up the parkway out to Wintergreen. But I've pretty much just been riding small bikes with Waynes and everything. Oh, that FZ sound. So first of all, I gotta thank everybody. Dude, we've hit 300 subs this season. That's freaking incredible. Even with me going on hiatus, we're over 300 subs right now. And I'm just blown away by that. Like, the little CB300R video wound up being like a major success. Oh, I missed having a little bit of power. But yeah, 300 freaking subs, man. Like, that's insane to me, 300 subs. 300 of y'all think that I'm cool enough to watch every video I upload and stuff. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. Yeah, so I'm just like blown away by the fact that 300 people are subbed to me right now. Like, that's insane. And like, interacting with you guys is awesome. It really honestly is. Like, I love like the comments and everything else, and like getting to answer any questions and just converse with you guys in general. So, you know, feel free, you know, to comment on any of my videos. Like, you know, like, if you want to be negative, you can be negative. I've got kind of thick skin, you know, I'm an asshole. I say stuff all the time, I'm sure that offends people. So, you know, feel free to. Like, I really, really, really don't get offended easily. I think we're just going to be staring into the sun. I just burped and it tastes like tacos. Yes, I have a belly full of tacos. That's honestly what I do on my days off a lot of times. Is I go hang out at Wayne's for a little bit, maybe do a ride and review. You guys will laugh at what I reviewed today when the video goes up, and there's no way you won't know which video I'm referencing. But yeah, I usually do that because Sarah's usually at work and everything. So I'll run, go hang out there, and then try to be, you know, back to her house by the time I get, by the time she's like, you know, getting ready to get off and everything. And I usually like have her dinner ready or lunch ready or whatever ready, you know, and hang out with her for a little bit, and then I cruise on home and hang out with the puppy dogs. And yes, if you happen to pay attention in the garage, there's a shit ton of crates. There's a shit ton of dogs where I live, and it's awesome. so many doggos, puppers, pupperinos. But I'm just kind of sad, like, it rained a lot this year, so I feel like I didn't actually get to ride as much as I wanted to. And of course, Virginia weather just goes from like 100-degree days to like 30-degree days, 40-degree days. This is actually kind of nice. It's gotten up to like 70 today. Alright, I am not sitting there riding behind y'all going that slow. You just gonna creep out there and block the entire road? That's cool too, dude. Oh. All right. Got smokes. Got me a little Pepsi Max for the night. Because I'm definitely having a couple sips, even though I gotta be in at work tomorrow bright and early. I just feel like I want a couple sips tonight. Ugh. Oh, it's always fun trying to leapfrog through here when it's like quitting time for all the factories and stuff around here. But yeah, like I honestly I cannot like be more blown away that 300 people have subbed to me now. You know, like, holy crap, like, I didn't think it was that cool, but, you know, I've had a lot of positive stuff, especially on the ride and reviews. I don't really talk about myself that much because I don't find myself that interesting. But, I mean, I'm sure, you know, I'm sure I'll find some subjects to occasionally do, like, a regular vlog about. Oh, and, cool little update. My buddy actually did wind up buying the Svartpilen Husky 401. So I think him and I are going to actually go pick it up Saturday. Yeah, I mean, they're calling for rain, so I don't know if I'm going to ride it. But he is going to be storing it at my place, so his wife doesn't kill him. She does not know he's bought a motorcycle, which is kind of funny in a way. Which is, I don't get it. Like, she's all about dirt bikes. She rides dirt bikes and grew up on dirt bikes and everything else. But you mention a street bike around her, and she gets instantly like, you can't have one. I don't get the sentiment there. I mean, I understand that you're out with traffic and everything else on the road, obviously, and it's a little bit more dangerous. But come on. So yeah, I think I'm probably going to film that, him picking that bike up and everything. I might have to ride it back for him because he's only got his learners. But if it's going to be pretty that day, then or at least it's not like dumping rain, then we'll ride together, because he does have his learners at least, so you know, I can ride with him over to the house. So I'm pretty stoked about that. He's gonna love it. He's gonna love being out on the road. His wife might not like it. she might try to kill me, but hey, I'm not the one that bought it. Alright, come on. But again, guys, like, it's just a quick little video thanking you guys for, you know, over 300 subs, man. That's dope. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do when riding season comes to an end. But again, thank you guys. Make sure to subscribe and like videos. Look at those views, dude. I know I say it in every video, but that is the exact reason I moved back over to this area. Is I love the views. It's just so incredibly pretty out. Had to get one quick wheelie in. But seriously, y'all, like and subscribe. Peace.